Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Introduction to the best digital multimeter. In an era where technology plays an indispensable role in our daily lives, the need for precision and accuracy in electrical measurements has never been more critical. Whether you are a seasoned electrician, an electronics enthusiast, or a DIY hobbyist, the best digital multimeter is an essential tool for your toolkit. A digital multimeter, often referred to as a DMM, is a versatile and reliable instrument that enables users to measure various electrical parameters with utmost precision and efficiency. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Klein Tools ET600. The Klein Tools ET600 multimeter is a versatile and reliable instrument designed for electrical measurements. It features a megometer insulation tester with resistance capabilities of up to 4,000 ohms and offers auto-ranging true root mean square (TRMS) functionality. This multimeter supports 4 insulation test voltage levels: 125 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, and 1000 volts, making it suitable for various applications. Additionally, the package includes a Klein Tools 69445 magnetic hanger, which is equipped with powerful rare earth magnets. On number 2, Klein Tools CL700. The Klein Tools CL700 is a versatile and rugged auto-ranging digital clamp meter designed for a wide range of electrical measurements. It can measure AC current and non-contact voltage testing, NCVT, through its clamp, and AC-DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency/duty cycle, diode tests, and capacitance using test leads. It also includes temperature measurement via a thermocouple. The meter features a low impedance, loss, mode, which helps in identifying and eliminating ghost or stray voltages. The backlit LCD display ensures clear readings even in low light conditions, enhancing visibility. On number 1, Ideal Industries. I recently purchased the Ideal Industries Incorporated 61-757 tight site digital TrueRMS AC-DC clamp meter, and it has quickly become an essential tool in my toolkit. As an electrical professional, I rely on accurate measurements in my daily work, and this clamp meter delivers in every aspect. The first thing that stands out about this clamp meter is its build quality. It feels robust and durable, and the ergonomic design fits comfortably in my hand. The tight sight feature, which allows you to view the display from the top of the clamp, is incredibly convenient, especially when working in tight spaces. In conclusion, the digital multimeter stands as an indispensable tool in the world of electronics, electrical engineering, and many other fields. Its precision, versatility, and user-friendly interface make it the best choice for measuring various electrical parameters. With the ability to measure voltage, current, resistance, and more, it simplifies complex tasks and ensures accuracy in diagnostics and troubleshooting. The best digital multimeters offer advanced features such as auto-ranging, data logging, and connectivity options, enhancing their functionality and utility. So guys, this was the video about the best digital multimeter. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.